Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today's September 1st, 2022, and we're looking at our birdhouse gourd. Now, it's weird. Some of these vines seem to be dying. I really don't like that. It's unsettling. So if we look down here, what is the cause for this death? Not sure. I hate to pull. This one definitely seems dead, so let's pull it out of the ground. Let's see what we're working with here. I really want to know whether or not some root-boring nematodes are here. There may be some. Let's pull this other one out. It's a lot healthier looking. It's still alive. Well, you can't really tell. Can't really tell there, so let me dig down in here and get to the root. Oh, wow. Now I can... Okay, folks. This is so disappointing. I can't tell you how disappointing this is. Definitely root knot nematodes down there. It's insane how they like harbor themselves in the soil and they wait for a squash plant of any kind to come along, and all of a sudden they become hyperactive. Really disappointing. But I think we're gonna lose this beautiful gourd. But hey, this year has been a tremendous learning year. This is my first year of actually trying to grow all of these different things throughout a full year cycle. So nothing but learning this year, and that's what we hoped to accomplish. I expect to see all of these guys died off now, sorry to say, because the root knot nematode is a very aggressive plant predator, and they attack at the roots. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow, and stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these birdhouse gourds. Have a great day.